The MSI Crosshair Gaming Laptop is a powerhouse designed for serious gamers and power users alike. You will find the link to this product in the description below at the best price. Featuring the latest Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, this laptop brings the ultimate performance with its 16-core, 14-thread architecture, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast speeds for all your gaming and productivity needs. With its impressive turbo boost of up to 5.2 GHz, you'll experience seamless gameplay and flawless handling of demanding applications. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, this gaming laptop offers top-tier graphics performance. The RTX 4070's ray tracing capabilities and stunning visual effects bring games to life in ultra-realistic detail. Whether you're playing AAA titles or creating content, the enhanced visuals provide an unparalleled gaming experience. The MSI Crosshair comes with a 16-inch FHD Plus display that has a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, the crisp visuals and smooth motion ensure an immersive experience. Additionally, the backlit keyboard allows you to game or work in low-light environments without missing a beat. This laptop doesn't just offer performance but also provides massive storage and memory. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes effortless, allowing you to run multiple programs or applications simultaneously without lag. The 2 TB SSD storage gives you ample space for all your games, apps, and files, while also ensuring quick load times and seamless transitions between programs. Out of the box, the MSI Crosshair comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, providing a complete office suite for both productivity and entertainment. It's the perfect tool for both work and play, ensuring that your laptop is ready for anything right from the start. Additionally, it includes a 2024 Office suite and an external DVD drive, making it a complete package for those who need versatility in their setup. For anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience or get a high-performance machine for demanding tasks, the MSI Crosshair Gaming Laptop delivers on all fronts. Don't miss out on this powerhouse. You will find the link to this product in the description below at the best price.